Why do I do this to myself? It's not that big of a deal, but still, why? So, now that the car's all painted, because I was in a rush to get it painted for reasons of just work and stuff like that, I just really wanted to get it done. And of course I didn't think about this, but let's just show you. I'm supposed to install these things. I'm gonna install them back here. And I'm gonna install arrow catches up front. I could have done that before. It would have been ideal to do it before, that way I don't have to worry about scratching the paint. But now I gotta make things more difficult for myself and you know, just drill through some fresh paint. So yeah, we're gonna do this. I think we're gonna start with the trunk first because I had to cut, I'll show you guys here. This car came with like little pull tabs here. This activates the gas door. Ooh, magic. And then there was one here with a loop that I had to cut to get the rear sail panel off, and that popped the trunk. And honestly, I think those cables are hideous and annoying. Left the tool back here. Oops. And so I'm gonna add push pops to the rear trunk and arrow catches to the front, and that'll just get rid of the whole locking mechanism thing and save, I don't know, 3 pounds. Yeah, okay, maybe like a pound. But it just looks better and it'll be better in the long run. So you're gonna watch me drill a hole in brand new paint. Yeah, fun time. So I think the best bet is, see where these rubber stops go? Looks like they're about right there-ish, which is okay. I'm just gonna drill a hole right in the center of that, and drill a hole right in the center of that, and then work my way from the inside up. Hopefully this hole, yeah, I'll just have to widen that hole a little bit, and then yeah, it's gonna be fun. So let's do that. And if worse comes to worse, I can always tape these off for now until I figure out something. So, ooh. So I got a little bit of grease on the end. I'm gonna try to get these as close to the center as possible. Yeet. Sure. And then yeet. Right there. Looks about the center of the hole. Yeah, that should work. Now let's just drill holes in things. A little bit of grease. Let's see if I can get a hole. Oh, that's fun. Oh wait, can I see it? There it is. So I guess I'm gonna tape the other side of this and yeah, ooh, my hands are ashy. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay, yeah, well, I did it, so no turning back now. Right. Now let's figure out how to get that to be centered, I guess. Yeah, centered. And then I'll measure that out for my OCD purposes and figure out what the distance halfway between there and there is, and then just mark it out, and then we'll go from there. So easy enough. 7. Just got to get that to correspond to that. Right. So math. Okay. So realistically, it's about 3.5, 4. It could be a little bigger. There's some leeway with that design here. I mean, you can see it's got a pretty big coverage. Still doesn't mean I want to drill a hole like to the edge, so I'd rather get this to fit as snug as possible. And theoretically, I could just keep up-stepping the drill bits until the hole gets big enough, and then I'll have to like fine-tune it with a Dremel. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'll just keep doing that, and yeah. So good news is locks. Now I just gotta measure this out here and Dremel to that point. A little bigger, obviously, because you got some leeway, but it's getting there. Kind of excited. These are like really clean. I can get rid of that junk right there. I don't know, I just like clean things. I like the way it looks. Oh, upside down, look at that. It's clean, flush. I had to cut a little bit bigger hole than I wanted to fit the socket. It's 7/8 or 22, however you want to say it. Yeah, but it's not bad. we're gonna adjust this. So I'm taking the latch off, setting that down so I can get this height just where I want it, and then we're on to the next one, and then we'll be done. It's really not bad. Honestly, Quklatch makes a pretty dope product. These are the small ones. Figured they'd work for the back really well, just because there's really not much back there that, you know, unless I go backwards at 90, I don't really think that's gonna be an issue. So yeah, besides if I'm going backwards at 90, there's an issue. Quklatch, dope. I got that one installed, and I got that one installed, and voila. I mean, she's on there, so now that's on there, and I mean, super easy. Super easy. Oh, I love it. Looks so much cleaner too. Time to get rid of that and we'll be done. Yeah, I love them. Boom. No more cable thingy bobbers. It looks cleaner. I don't know. To me, I like it so much more. Plus, like, race car accessories, I guess you want to call it, look cool as shit. So, yeah. Look at that. Flush. No. Tomorrow I'll probably do the arrow catches, which is a little bit bigger of a job. I got to cut more. Hi, Mr. Helicopter. Got to cut more, but that'll get rid of this, which that kind of broke anyways. I got it duct taped to kind of like, yeah, so it wouldn't cut the shit out of me, but it'd be a lot nicer. And see, that doesn't really close. I have to slam this hood shut to make sure it closes, and it just absolutely terrifies me. And it'll just be that extra reassurance that is locked. You guys absolutely loved the color. I'm honestly surprised. I thought this was gonna be one of those colors that I had to explain to people, like, why did you paint it this color? And I'm like, because I can. But you guys loved it, and that makes it even better, honestly. So stay tuned. I'm gonna keep posting more updates. Probably not just this. Still got the Mustang stuff we got to do, and the tow rack still needs worked on. So hopefully soon, if we ever even get to race, because the whole virus thing, that everything will be up and ready, and my first track day won't be such a embarrassment like it was last time. No, I was just learning a lot of things and kind of part of the whole process, and you kind of just got to do it to get better. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Peace.